Did you know that avocados are technically berries? Yes, you heard that right. These creamy green delights that we often associate with savory dishes are actually classified as berries in the botanical world. That's right, those creamy green delights are more closely related to blueberries than to vegetables. This fascinating fact often surprises many, but it's just one of the many intriguing aspects of the avocado. But their unique classification is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the amazing avocado. The texture, the taste, and the versatility of this fruit make it a favorite in kitchens around the world. This superfood is packed with nutrients and offers a surprising number of health benefits, especially when enjoyed in the morning. From avocado toast to smoothies, incorporating this fruit into your breakfast can give you a nutritious start to your day. Curious to know how this creamy fruit can transform your mornings? Imagine spreading it on toast, blending it into a smoothie, or even adding it to your scrambled eggs. Keep reading to discover a special tip that will maximize the benefits of incorporating avocado into your daily routine. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just looking to improve your diet, avocados can be a game changer. Trust me, your body will thank you. The nutrients in avocados, such as healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, can contribute to better overall health and well-being. Many people enjoy avocado in salads or guacamole, savoring its creamy texture and rich flavor. It's a staple in many kitchens around the world, known for its versatility and deliciousness. But have you ever considered making it a part of your breakfast routine? Imagine starting your day with a nutrient-packed avocado dish that not only tastes great, but also fuels your body for the day ahead. You might be surprised to learn that eating avocado every morning can lead to some incredible health benefits. From boosting your energy levels to improving your skin, the benefits are numerous. But there's a catch. The key to unlocking the full potential of this superfood lies in how you consume it. It's not just about eating avocado. It's about how you incorporate it into your meals. Later in this article, I'll share a little secret, a simple twist in your avocado routine that can significantly enhance its positive effects on your body. Intrigued? This small change can make a big difference. Let's dive into the incredible ways avocado can power up your mornings and boost your overall well-being. From delicious recipes to health tips, we'll explore how this humble fruit can transform your daily routine and contribute to a healthier, happier you. Avocados are a nutritional goldmine, brimming with healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Starting your day with this powerhouse can provide lasting energy, curb cravings, and even improve your mood. The healthy fats in avocado help you feel fuller for longer, preventing those mid-morning energy crashes. What are your favorite ways to enjoy avocado? Have you ever tried it in a smoothie or as a topping for your eggs? The possibilities are endless. Now for the secret I promised, avocados are not just delicious, they are packed with nutrients that can transform your mornings. To maximize the benefits of eating avocado every morning, try pairing it with a source of vitamin C. This combination not only enhances the flavor, but also boosts your health. Vitamin C helps your body better absorb the iron present in avocado, making it even more effective in boosting your energy levels. Imagine starting your day with a burst of energy and vitality. A squeeze of lemon on your avocado toast or a handful of berries on the side can make a big difference. Not only does it enhance the taste, but it also adds a refreshing twist to your meal. Are you ready to embrace the avocado and experience its incredible benefits? From improving digestion to providing essential vitamins, avocados are a powerhouse of nutrition. Share your thoughts and avocado adventures in the comments below. We would love to hear how you incorporate this superfood into your daily routine.